Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or change a chart in Google Docs. Google Docs file. Now I'll edit this chart now. Click on this chart and select this three dot option. Here you will find this open source option. Click here and new Google Sheet will open and see this. Google Sheet already open. Wait for a few seconds and see this. This is chart data. Now I'll send this chart data option and this one make 320 and see this already change here. Also make it 25 and enter and see this one already changed. In this way you can change this data. Also you can add new team, also you can add a new period. Now change the data chart color and series. Download this chart and here we will find this customization option, setup option. First I will show customization option. Click here and chart style. Here you can change chart fill color as usual. Also you can change chart border color here and chart axis and title. I'll make this chart title center and see the center and make it color black and bold and italic and chart series. I'll change chart series color and make faster fish price color. I'll change color green. Sorry, this line color. This one fill color and see this fish series color already changed. Also I'll change rice color and fill color choose pink color and series. In this way you can change the series color. Now I'll change legend. Legend, that's means this legend. You can make legend position bottom and see this bottom. Also you can make it right here. And choose top series and horizontal axis. Also you can change axis font style. You can make it bottom. You see this axis and you can make it italic. Also you can change text color. See this and make it black and vertical axis same you can change. Grid lines and ticks you can change here. Now select and go Google Docs option and click here update and see this chart already updated. Also you can change this chart style. Click setup option. You can make it line chart and see this line chart already added and undo. Also you can make it pie chart. See this. Yeah. In this way you can change your chart data and chart style. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.